First position of Navigate. Short. Rebound on number 16, na Nalgasay.
Yan. Number 17.
Nice pass, Castillo. Save ball, save ball.
Lapeceros.
Lapeceros now, nice move. Drive, Lapeceros goes to goal, Lapeceros! 2-0. What a move coming from Lapeceros. Tuntanes. Wow, turnover on the RoboCup. First turnover on Navigate. Now 9 minutes and 16 seconds. It's 2 against 0. Intercepted by the Sun. Now Lucas. Pass to Wonderboy, pick. Tuntanes, drive, Tuntanes, save, nice move to Lucas, in and out. Iba na ang Castillo.
Kisay.
Patron. Again short. Wonderboy to Lucas. Lucas now. Looking for Tuntanes. Too strong. Alkisay ball. Now Lapeceros. Lapeceros. Stop pump. Short. RoboCup. RoboCup now. To Wonderboy. Too strong. Patron. Guarded by Wonderboy. Lapeceros. Double dribble on Lapeceros. 8 minutes.
Pagod din. Tatlong takbo pa lang, pagod na kayo. Boy, ayusin nyo. Finals mo. Cut.
Tuntanes, 14 to shoot. Wonderboy. Bang! Bang, bang! On the Wonderboy. It's 3-2. 1 point lead on Navigate. Patron. Air ball. It's 7 minutes and 26 seconds. This is a battle of positioning. Navigate versus Alkisay. Iba ng Patron.
17. Gatwa.
Katwa.
Kita.
To Katwa again. Fake. Drive. Katwa. Nice pass outside. Lapeceros. Foul. Back by Lapeceros again. Tuntanes. Same ball. It's 14 na set clock. 14.
Tunga, dong. Tawag tunga. Hey!
Lapeceros. Short.
Balik!
Wonderboy.
Diretso!
Yes on the Sun. 5-2. 3-point lead now on Navigate. Gatwa. 6 minutes and 23 seconds.
Paspasin, pasa! Pasok!
Short. Now Gatwa, Sinimbre. Lapeceros. Rebound on the RoboCup. Now the Sun. Lucas. Gatwa. To Castillo. Lapeceros. Castillo. Lapeceros again. Whoa! Lapeceros now 4-5. 1 point lead on Navigate. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Foul.
Paul ka talaga doon, Bong.
Foul on number 17 on the side. Gatwa first. On Gatwa. First team foul. Alcosay.
Kulang sila, no, sir?
The third quarter. Last. In 5 minutes and 37 seconds, shoot.
Box out!
Ipakan Castillo. Now Lapiceros. Sigsag. Rebound on the sun.
Kuha bola!
Lucas. Foul.
Nag-extend ka, pre. Nag-extend ka, pre. Nag-extend ka, pre. Nag-extend ka. 16 tayo. Pusin tayo.
Foul on number 16 on Patron. First personal foul on Patron. Second team foul, Alpisay.
Layo kasi nang tumawag eh. Sige lang na. Okay na. Box out kayo!
6-4. Now 7-4. 3-point lead on the game. It's 5 minutes.
Number 22.
Turnover again, Alpisay. Back-to-back turnover on Alpisay. Now Tutanes. The Sun. Steal. 14 to shoot, 14.
Hayaan nila, hindi yan big line diretso niya. Galing! Boy!
Lapiceros. Wow! Lucas.
Abang na pasa! Nice goal!
Wonder Boy. Air ball. Foul on number 17 on Gato. 13 foul on Altusay. Second personal foul against Goto.
Wala tayo, pre. Bigay mo sa amin, ha? Hindi kasi.
8-4. Back 4-point lead now against Navigate. Gato.
Balik! Nice one!
Yes, on Tutanes. 10-4. Gato. Patron. Whoa! Patron! 10-6. Bang! Time out! Don't Alpisay. It's 12-6. Lapiceros. Short. Wonder Boy. Nice pass, Wonder Boy. 14-6. 8-point lead now. Now gate is 3 minutes.
Sige lang.
Castillo. Whoa! What a move! Coming from Castillo.
Baba, pare, baba. Gitna, oh.
Oh, the Sun!
Salubungin nyo!
8-point lead now. Now game, 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Huli ka! Balik! Hey, isa!
14 to shoot. Whoa! Patrol! What a great move, great pass, great play against in and out.
1, 2,
3 second variation, 3 second variation. It's 2 minutes.
Nice one, Dong.
Tutanes, Wonder Boy. 1 minute and 41 seconds.
Good. Boy.
Whoa, Tutanes. 18-10. Patron again. Bang! Basket count and 1 on Patron. Foul on Robocop. First on Robocop. Second team foul. Against the gate. It's 1 minute and 15 seconds. Bonus free throw on Patron.
Natin.
Ang Patron. Lapiseros. Short. 1 minute.
Ready.
Now Tutanes. Forty to shoot.
3 seconds.
3 second variation. 3 second variation. On the sun. Yes, on Lapiseros. 18-14. 35 seconds.
Pasa.
30 seconds. 14 to shoot. 21 seconds. 21.
Last shot. Ubusin nyo na. Haras.
15.
Haras.
9 seconds. Foul. Foul number 22. Warning for penalty. Albisayo, warning 7 seconds. 7.
Walang foul. Walang foul. Go.
5.
Ay,
And now for first quarter, our score 18 against 14. Second quarter ready. Rojas. Hermoso. Back to Rojas. Kilab. Rebound by Hermoso. Short. Now the captain. Lucas. The captain, pick. Guard by Rojas. Time to shoot. Tubungbanwa. Kilab, favorite shot. Yes on Kilab. 18 to 16. Now 2-point lead on Algate. Tutanes. The captain, Pay. 10 to shoot. Bang! 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 Oh, Lucas. 5-point lead back to Navgate. 21 against 16. Hermoso. Rojas. Back to Hermoso. Kilab, steal. Kilab now, 10 to shoot, 10. Short. Magat. Too strong. Alright, ball, Alkisay ball. It's 21 against 16. It's 8 minutes. Second quarter, second game. Enter Emirates. Season 2.
Hey, 5 seconds!
Air ball.
Shot! Shooting!
Lucas. Steal by Kilaw. Same ball. 21-16. Too strong. Rebound by Magat.
Pwedeng whisper.
Oh! Magat! 24-16. Now 8-point lead against Navigate. Kapul. Subong pa, no? Hermoso.
Sure nyo na.
Yes, to Tutanes. 26 against 16. Hermoso.
Kuha!
Tutanes again. Tutanes 28.
Time out.
5 minutes. Bang! 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 Oh, tumumalo. Back to 9-point lead on Navigate. 28-19. Captain.
Amin, natin yan. Amin. Natin yan.
6 to shoot.
Natin.
6 seconds to shoot.
Pwedeng whisper.
5.
Bababo! Tempo kayo!
Wala kayong tubig, Boss Mike. Walang...
Oh, the captain. Middle. 4 minutes. Back to 11-point lead on Navigate. Hermoso.
Wala.
Short.
Gi.
Basket count and 1 on Magat. Timeout on Alcazar. Thirty-three to 20. Now Hermoso. Roas. Back to Hermoso, 10 to shoot. Three minutes. Yes, on Magat. Two minutes and 46 seconds. Bang! 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 On tubong Banwa.
Bay, depensa bay. Quarter 23.
Stepping on the line.
Bay, depensa.
2 minutes and 16.
Bay. Sapita na yung depensa bay.
Foul on the spot. Foul on the putter. Kuseo. First on the putter.
Broken mouse.
Isa pa.
22 to 35. It's by 1 minute and 50. Forty to shoot.
Galing mo spot.
Bay, depensa bay. Bay. Depensa, kapit na yung depensa.
1 minute and 36 seconds. Foul. On number
Peter, wag ka muna
29.
tumakbo. Hayaan mo siya rin tumakbo sa island.
Second team foul Alcosay.
Dumipensa ka lang dyan mo. Tawag tayo rin.
It's 1 minute and 36 seconds.
Ha?
Now Hermoso.
Sak. Dire bay. Shoot. Pasok. Oh. Akabot. Kaya bay.
Yes, foul.
Oy, wala ito.
Landing.
Inside na to.
Delikado yung boss.
Wala,
Boss.
inside na to.
Rep, delikado yun.
Hindi yun foul.
Ano na yun, nasa taas na boss eh.
Layok na yun.
Basketball tayo, pero meron tayong warning na lang bigyan natin kasi ano yun, na-risk natin.
Warning on number 3 on Ross.
Tayo, pag warning tayo.
Or
Basket lang. Bakit shooting pa rin?
basket count and 1. Basket count and 1. On Lucas. Warning on Rojas. $38 to 23.
Ayan. Defense.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang on Tubong Banwa! Back to 12 point lead on 55 seconds.
15 please.
Boy, boss.
40 to shoot.
Depensa.
10. Bang! Bang, bang on Magat.
Useless na.
30 seconds. Oh, the ball. 24 seconds.
Depensa.
Air ball. Lucas. Tutanes. Short. Ross.
Seconds na lang.
5 seconds.
Nandagdag na ba?
Sa titi. Walo na lang, walo.
Wala na. Partida na, may partida na yun. Shot!
Short. Apeseros.
Baba na! Baba!
Ang patron.
Bilang! Atake! Uy, basket!
Oh! Basket count and 1 on Foul on number 14 on Wonderboy. First with the Wonderboy, first on Navigate. Now 6-point lead on Navigate, 4-1. Against the 35, it's third quarter, second game, second match. Oh! Dropping league violation, troubling. It's the first dropping league violation of Wonderboy since 200 games. Patron again. Wow! Patron! Big guy Patron. Now 41-37, 4-point lead on Navigate. Foul. Foul on number 17 on third personal foul. On Gatwa. Personal Alcosay. 10 to shoot, 10.
Third quarter na sa labas. So, huwag ganun pa. Hello.
Whoa! The punter!
Tengah. Hello.
Escape Anderson! 45-37. Lapiseros. Foul. Foul on number 2. On the RoboCup, second team foul. On Navigate. 14 is set class 14. Lapiseros. Short. Foul. Responded?
Bola ulit.
Foul number 16, Patron.
Bola.
Game tayo, sir. Sayang yung laro nyo.
Focus tayo. Focus. Konti lang yan, oh.
Wonderboy, smiling Wonderboy. The Sun. Foul. Foul number 16 on Patron. Third personal foul now on Patron. Ten to shoot. 5. Whoa! Foul. Foul on number 11 now. Lapiseros warning for penalty on Alcasay. Six minutes and 20. Gatwa. It's 4-3. Gatwa drives. Gatwa! 45-39. Back to 6-point lead. On Navigate. Bang! On Anderson.
Lah, siya pa na warning.
Number 11.
Warning on 11. On number 11.
Siya pa na warning.
Gana. Focus tayo. Warningan yung pagdaming complaint. Warning na tayo.
For violation. 5 minutes and 45 seconds.
5 minutes, pwede mag-sub.
Dagdag lang.
Now Wonder Boy. Tapiceros. Yes, San Castillo. 41-48. Back to 7 point lead. Oh, Lawi. Sabrep. Now Alcosayan penalty. Sabrep, pulang berep, Sab.
Kaya muna siyang kilter para maka-enjoy. Lagi mapag-vlog.
Time out. On.
Kala ko bitiro niyo na. Lalagpas ako. Tama sila. Sakto niyo siya eh. Huwag niyo muna mo. Kasi kakto, ganyan tayo. May tayo eh. Oo. Okay lang yun.
Kami swimming pool lang.
Tapiceros.
Nalilikitan niyo.
Balik! Huwag na!
Sige, salamat.
Oh, Paulo! Nice goal!
Jamon!
Hawak eh. Apat na!
Foul on number 16 on Patron. Penalty. Sabrep. Fourth personal foul on Patron.
Uy, pasok.
Penalty daw!
Cons, dalawa! Turuan ka ni Tatang mag-ano. Sa akin, yung hinabol ko rito noon lang dito, ginamot.
Wala, agawan niya.
Yun!
Whoa! First basket, first shot coming from the punter. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. 9-point lead now. Navigate. Bilang.
Hawak ko! Pusang galang!
52.
Dalawang beses lang ang kitang-kita, oh.
Now 10 to shoot. Tapiceros. 14 is set clock.
Nice one!
Yes, on Anderson.
Request yun ba?
Balik asa mo.
Back to 13-point lead on Navigate. 54 for Rodrigon.
Kita na lang kasi oras.
Pwede yata kung may ano lang. Pahinga lang. Tama yan.
Wonder Boy. Block.
Tinawagan.
Hello. Kumain ka na? Sa third quarter. Wala, 3 minutes. Sabrep!
79 pound.
Gusto ko mga sugat. Order ka na. Order ka na. Kahit ano po. Hindi siya din. Hindi ko lang kasi. Kahit ano daw pa nga. Ay, ko na lang.
Nakataon lupa, Robes.
Saan po chicken?
Pagka, ko na lang chicken na lang daw.
Baka ayaw niyo naman ng chicken.
Indian ma, Indian.
Saan ako order doon na lang sa ano?
Butter, ano ma, butter chicken ma.
Analyze na lang.
Oo, basta butter chicken.
Ay, pati nyo daan na lang sa analyze kayo.
Daan, ikaw mga
Lakad kami ma.
Ha?
Lakad kami.
Tabangan mo!
Diba, sunduin mo na yun, sunduin mo.
Baba ng konti ka! Baba na!
Daanan na natin, daanan yung order ka, daanan natin.
Ano nga?
Daanan natin ang order ka.
Oh! The captain!
Dito lang kita. Sa boss!
2 minutes and 30, 57 to 41, 16 point lead now on Navigate. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Tubong Banwa!
Daan lang pare, atin ang mora.
Spin 3-point shot on Tubong Banwa. 2 minutes.
Baba!
Yes, San Hermoso. Back to 11 point lead now on Navigate, 57-46.
Tawid go, aggressive!
1 minute and 50.
Aggressive!
Nice pass.
Layo! Sorry!
59-46.
It's okay pare, it's okay.
Lapit, Hermoso!
Short.
Nice na Felix.
Nice on ground.
Ilalim, pag nasa ilalim mo, tatlo. Doon lang ako mag-
1 minute and 30.
Yay! Sige pa natin.
10 to shoot.
Labon, likod!
Tubong Banwa. 51-50, 59 to 51, 8 point lead again. By Navigate, 45 seconds.
Sila, wala tayong score. Sarap.
14 to shoot.
Yay! Hindi mo yung kapit, pre! Kapit! Babatan! Babatan!
3 points!
Short.
Yan! Kuha! Isa, Tan!
Foul. Foul on the Wonder Boy. Third team foul on Navigate. Third personal foul on the Wonder Boy.
Tatakbo ka pag kailangan. Hindi yung puro takbo.
19 seconds, 19.
Tulong sa akin.
Last shot.
Ipit kayo, ipit.
15. Whoa! Kilom! 5 seconds.
Pare, bilisan mo yun! Magpapayo ka, huwag siya opensa. Nagpensa mo kayo. Para may saysay. Lapit pare, landian mo yung depensa, landian mo. Lapit pare, lapit.
Bingo!
Bang! 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 Now, 56 to 59.
Walang tatalon.
Short.
Pare, lapitan mo na, walang landi.
Bengo.
Bang! Bang, 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 bang! Oh! Lapeseros, now 59 all!
Ingat sa foul. Hawak lang. Shoot rin. Tayo na yan.
Out, right!
Mariosip.
Tiro.
Whoa! What a great move by the RoboCop, 61 to 59, 8 minutes and 50 seconds.
Foul.
Pare, nice D.
Foul on Anderson. First team foul on Navigate, first on Anderson.
Tama yan.
Tulak pa, boy.
Lucas yung papasahan, ha?
Basang-basa lang. Wala, basa lang.
Kita, pare, kita.
Kabila.
Yan, nice! Yan, depensa!
Yes, on Anderson.
Ganun uli!
Dribble mo.
Meron!
8 minutes.
Bantay, pare, bantay!
Kumay. Senior.
Nice one! Boss, pare ka, boss!
May time out pa tayo.
Depensa, pare. Depensa. Patay na!
White ball, 7 minutes and 37 seconds.
Pasa kayo.
Foul. Foul on number 79. On Castillo. On
Hoy, apat lang yan, oh. Hindi ka bati sa diet, eh. 75 ba?
Gapol. First on Altusay. Second on Gapol.
Ano pasa? Yun!
Oh, what a move! Shot coming from RoboCop.
Bago approaching pa lang, pasa na. Meron! Huwag kayo tatama rin, pre! Nice one! Dito mama!
Time to shoot.
Dito mama!
Ay, putang yan.
Oh! Anderson!
Mamaya.
Meron!
Foul.
Substitution. Sub.
Sabrep.
Ganda na ng backshoot mo!
Vamos.
Pare, ganda na ng backshoot mo!
Foul on number 2 on RoboCop.
It's okay, pare! Ganda ng depensa niyo, pre!
Sige lang, round. Bawi lang, mamaya.
6 minutes and 35 seconds.
Symbol tayo, white ball tayo. Symbol. Bawi lang.
Galit na rin.
Pare, isog mo na! Lapit, pare, lapit!
Time to shoot.
Larga, pare, larga! Okay, 10 to nothing run!
Lucas.
10 to 6 run!
Now 6 run on the break. Black.
Kaya!
Rice na.
Tan!
Ay na.
Short. Sabi Lucio Rep, Sabrep.
Pare, panahon na, dahan-dahan.
Ay, tatan.
Kami sa rest kami.
Tama na, lamang
Yung isa, eh. Pero maganda yung...
Hindi, wala talaga yun, boss. Hindi na-extend mo na konti. Pero ang ganda na ng backshoot mo, hindi mo in-extend, sa'yo babagsak mo. Ganda ng backshoot mo.
Same ball.
Tama na, ano gagawin mo sabi? Kapag ikaw hindi yun.
Ilalim ha, ilalim. Wala tao.
Babatan! Baba! Salubungin mo yan! Pinabuelo mo pinabuelo mo eh.
Oh! In and out!
Anes, dahan-dahan. Lamang tayo.
Ilang bawi.
Sa tapat na niya eh.
4 minutes still by Lapiseros.
Nice! Baba! Pare, baba!
Atin yan, atin.
Bakit?
3 minutes and 54 seconds, 10-point lead on the gate, 69-59.
May ito itong para. Mamaya.
Inalim naman.
Nice.
Yes, on Patron.
Ilalim.
14 to shoot.
Bigay para bigay!
10.
Bantay mo pre!
Problem Malaysian calling. 3 minutes and 22 seconds.
Muna, bago mo score! Muna mo yung bangga. Baba!
Oh, koy.
Ganda ng pasa. Ganda yan, mag-isa na lang siya.
Bang! 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 On Lapiseros.
Tayo natin na. Ano score?
69-64, 5-point lead now on the gate. Magat. 14 to shoot.
Pasa ko sa maluwag pare.
Basket ka na one on Lucas. Sabrep. Foul on number 18 on Castillo. Second team foul on Agusay. Second personal foul on Castillo. It's 2 minutes and 46 seconds.
Tagay ka pa mamaya. Ayun ka.
Nakalapit lahat eh.
Back to 7-point lead on Navigate.
Game, tawag game! Susab na lang eh!
Bang! 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 Oh, Hermoso! 71-67, 4-point lead now on Navigate. It's 2 minutes and 28 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10. Foul. Foul on the sun. Second team foul on the gate. Substitution rep. 4-point lead now on the gate. It's 2 minutes and 8 seconds. Last 2 minutes.
Hey, dahan, Lucas.
1 minute and 50.
Surbol nyo lang yan.
40 to shoot. 10. Yes, Santo Tanas.
Good. Good.
1 minute and 60.
Tira siya, Tres! Tira!
Malapit na 1 minute na lang. Punta ka na, sige na, punta ka na.
Time out on Navigate.
Si number?
1 minute pa.
Pitan mo, pre! Salita ko. Oh?
14 to shoot. 10. Bang! 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 On Anderson. 40 seconds. Foul. Foul on Kilab. 30 foul on Alcacay. Ready? 30 seconds.
Yan yun na.
20.
Ingat na tayo, 20 seconds, ingat tayo. 10 seconds na lang.
10 seconds.
Ito tayo, ito.